Nvidia is best known for its graphics processing units, but has a billion-dollar business outside of semiconductors. The semiconductor chip is one of the most important parts of artificial intelligence AI. Graphics processing units, GPUs, play a major role in generative AI applications, including machine learning, accelerated computing, and large language models, L.L.Ms. At the center of GPU manufacturing is magnificent 7-member Nvidia, NVDA 5.55%. Demand for its flagship A100 and H100 chips is soaring, and investors haven't been shy about cheering on the stock. As of the time of this video, Nvidia is the world's third most valuable company by market cap, handily ahead of Amazon and Alphabet. Investors may not realize that Nvidia is more than just a hardware developer. The company has a budding software business and is funneling capital into several other growth drivers, including robotics and voice-powered AI assistants. As we proceed in this interesting episode, we will give a breakdown on the current state of Nvidia's business. We will also assess why software could prove to be a lucrative source of growth for the company in the long run. We would also like to give you recent updates of a lawsuit on Nvidia, whose chips power artificial intelligence, was sued by 3 authors who said it used their copyrighted books without permission. Hello, and thanks for tuning in. Before we go any further, please take a moment to support us by liking this video, subscribe, and activate the bell notification feature so you'll always know when we put out new videos, and remember, sharing is caring. Okay, let's delve back into it. The chip business as of the moment is taking an upward spiral. For Nvidia's fiscal 2024, which ended January 28, 2024, the company increased revenue 100 in graphics processing units and has amassed superior pricing power over the competition. This dynamic not only influenced the company's robust top-line growth, but also played a significant role in its profitability. In fiscal 2024, the company grew free cash flow by more than 6-fold and increased its gross margin from 56.9%. Financial Officer Colette Kress stated that the company also made great progress with its software and services offerings, which reached an annualized revenue run rate of $1 billion in the fourth quarter. This is a big deal because it showcases Nvidia's ambitions to build beyond semiconductors. Moreover, while Nvidia currently dominates the graphics processing units market, competition from Amazon, Microsoft could represent a silver lining amid rising competition in the chip space. Namely, software tends to carry much higher margins than hardware. Even if other players start eating Nvidia's market share in the GPU space, the company has identified a fast-growing, high-margin business to mitigate this risk. Additionally, while reaching a $1 billion revenue run rate is impressive, the software business is still small compared to Nvidia's core data center operation. However, if recent demand trends are any indication, the software platform could become a major source of growth sooner rather than later, as Nvidia offers an end-to-end AI networking solution. In what ways could Nvidia utilize software to their advantage? We see 2 areas where Nvidia can deploy its software. The first is in voice-powered AI assistants. Competitors including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet have all shown interest in speech recognition software. This isn't surprising considering industry estimates suggest that the addressable market for speech recognition software could reach $50 billion by 2029. Nvidia is the latest mega-cap tech business to join the party, following an investment in SoundHound AI. While SoundHound AI is still quite small, the long-term prospects of a partnership with Nvidia could prove lucrative. The other area where we think Nvidia could play a big role in AI software applications is robotics. Following news of the SoundHound AI deal, Nvidia joined OpenAI, Microsoft, Jeff Bezos, and Intel Capital in a $675 million funding round in Figure AI, a developer of humanoid robots. According to Goldman Sachs, the addressable market for humanoid robots could reach $38 billion by 2035, given their potential to disrupt the labor market in industries such as manufacturing and logistics. Robotics could be an especially interesting area for Nvidia, as the company can help further develop this technology through both its chip and software businesses. We think Nvidia's growth is just getting started. We think the company can keep up the momentum for years to come, and we will be excited to see how it continues to disrupt the AI revolution. Someone may be wondering, is it advisable to allocate a whopping sum of $1,000 into Nvidia at this moment? Before you buy stock in Nvidia, we will like you to take this into consideration. The Motley Fool Stock Advisor analyst team just identified what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy now. Nvidia wasn't one of them. The 10 stocks that made the cut could produce monster returns in the coming years. Consider when Nvidia made this list on April 15, 2005. If you invested $1,000 at the time of our recommendation, you now have $536,289. Stock Advisor provides investors with an easy-to-follow blueprint for success, including guidance on building a portfolio, regular updates from analysts, and 2 new stock picks each month. The Stock Advisor service has more than quadrupled the return of S&P 500 since 2002. Before we round up today's discussion, we would like to give you recent updates of a lawsuit on Nvidia, whose chips power artificial intelligence, was sued by 3 authors who said it used their copyrighted books without permission to train its NeMo, Open's new Tab AI platform. Brian Keene, Abi Nazemian, and Stuart Onan said their works were part of a dataset of about 196,640 books that helped train NeMo to simulate ordinary written language before being taken down in October due to reported copyright infringement. In a proposed class action filed on Friday night in San Francisco federal court, the authors said the takedown reflects Nvidia's having admitted it trained NeMo on the dataset and thereby infringed their copyrights. They are seeking unspecified damages for people in the United States whose copyrighted works helped train NeMo's so-called large language models in the last 3 years. One of the works covered by the lawsuit are Keene's 2008 novel Ghost Walk, Nazemian's 2019 novel Like a Love Story, and Onan's 2007 novella Last Night at the almost 600% since the end of 2022, giving Nvidia a market value of nearly $2.2 trillion. The case is Nazemian et al. Nvidia Corp., U.S. District Court, Northern District of California, No. 24-0-1454. And that concludes today's video. Do let us know what you think about today's discussion in the comment section below, and you can support this channel by liking this video, subscribe, and activate the bell notification feature so you'll always know when we put out new content. And remember, sharing is caring. Take care and see you in the next video.